To do the K1 in all three distances, and seeing as the 200 is now an Olympic event, I'll be working on that a lot more in the next few years. The 200, you just have to think, be really quick off the start, and it was quite hard today because it was a strong headwind, but kind of had to think about it even more, just being quick through the water so you didn't go backwards.
I did a 51. I'd like to get to a 45. That's where I'm setting my target. The last 50 metres of that race was very bouncy, and I lost a lot of speed in there. So I have to train harder to get that better.
There's a lot of research got to be done. But having said that, it's possible to do both events. If you look at some of the great paddlers overseas, they're world champions in 1,000 and 200 in the same year. So it can be done. But we don't know yet. We've got to wait and see how we pull up from training for 200s. It's a lot more intense on the body, so yeah, as I said, there's a lot more research has to go into it.
Cassandra Santos, but they call me Cici. Yeah.
And where are you from?
Guam.
Guam.
Yeah.
And where is Guam?
In the Pacific Ocean.